Ever wanted to make money online? It's called affiliate marketing. You recommend products you love, and when people buy through your special link, you get paid. The best part? You can do this from anywhere. No office, no boss. Imagine recommending a cool new phone case. Someone buys it because of you, and voila, money in your pocket. It's a great way to earn passive income, meaning you earn even when you're not working. Whether you're on a beach, at a coffee shop, or in your pajamas at home, you can earn money. You connect people with the things they need and want. So, are you ready to start your affiliate marketing journey? Let's go. Ready to jump into the world of affiliate marketing? First things first, you need a platform. This is where you'll connect with your audience. It could be a website, a blog, a YouTube channel, or even social media. Think about where your ideal customer hangs out online. Once you have your platform, you need to choose your niche. What are you passionate about? Your niche could be anything from travel to technology to pet care. Now it's time to find affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Look for programs that align with your niche and offer products you believe in. Build trust with your audience by being transparent and providing valuable content. Picking a niche is super important for affiliate marketing success. Your niche is like your area of expertise, the thing you'll focus on. The best niches are things you're passionate about and know a lot about. Think about your hobbies, interests, and skills. Do you love cooking? Maybe your niche is kitchen gadgets. Are you a fitness buff? Fitness trackers and workout gear could be your thing. Choose a niche that genuinely excites you and it won't even feel like work. The more you enjoy it, the more successful you'll be. Now that you have your niche, it's time to find the perfect affiliate programs to partner with. Look for programs that align with your niche and offer products or services that you genuinely believe in. A great place to start is with affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. These networks connect you with a wide range of merchants and make it easy to find and join programs. You can also reach out to companies directly, especially smaller businesses that might have their own affiliate programs. When evaluating affiliate programs, pay attention to their commission rates, cookie durations, and payment terms. Don't be afraid to join multiple affiliate programs within your niche. This allows you to diversify your income streams and offer your audience a wider range of products and services. Building strong relationships with your affiliate partners is key to long-term success. So choose wisely and focus on building mutually beneficial partnerships. Now that you're all set up, it's time to start promoting those affiliate links like a pro. There are plenty of effective strategies you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate offers and start earning commissions. Content is king, so make sure you're creating valuable and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Write blog posts, create videos, record podcasts, or share your expertise on social media. The key is to provide helpful information while naturally incorporating your affiliate links. Email marketing is another powerful tool for affiliate marketers. Build an email list of subscribers who are interested in your niche. Then send them regular newsletters and promotional emails featuring your affiliate products and services. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Share your affiliate links on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. The more effort you put in, the more rewards you'll reap. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. Remember, the key to success is to choose a niche you're passionate about, find reputable affiliate programs, and promote your links strategically. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies, track your results, and make adjustments along the way. Most importantly, be patient and persistent. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start earning.